Quick video. Just installed the Siouxicide Choppers, suicide bar and luggage rack. I love it. I mean, this really changes the whole look of the bike. What's great about it is they match my bars. So let's take a look at these. Let's try to go from here. Nice, thick. I'm gonna have to move the bike out. It's too dark. Quick review how to move my bike outside, because this big 90-pound baby doesn't want to stop crying. Why? Why are you crying? Why? Tell me why you're crying. Why? You know you're not going out, so don't even wag your little snubby there. Can I go do my video now? Please? Please? Thank you. Okay. I brought the bike outside. We're going to review quick, pretty much a look, not even a review. I ordered the Siouxicide Choppers sissy bar and luggage rack. I love it. It totally changed the look of the bike. So I'm going to let's take a look at it. So the bike's coming along. If you haven't seen it, so there they are. Nice thick pad, enforcer. Matches that. And you have a black seat. I got the 114-ish on there now. I have black, we did in the last video. So again, this snaps right in like any other tour pack or any add-on you might want to do. Now, how I'm going to secure this. Some people use zip ties. Yeah, it looks good. I love it. I hope it comes out good in the camera. I'm probably going to put the locking tabs on there that I got from Amazon. That's my next project. I hate for somebody to walk away with those. Where is the sun? There's the sun. I hate for somebody to walk away with those. So, bike's coming along. Next video is going to be the headlights. Just want to give you a quick peek at the Siouxicide Choppers. Highly recommend them. It goes perfect with these bars. The bike's a little dirty. I got to wash it today. Been riding a crazy amount lately. It's like 70 degrees. Perfect. Nighttime drops down to 60s. Put a jacket on. I can't get enough of this. So anyway, quick look at the Siouxicide. Highly recommend them. Takes a couple weeks to get. Well worth the wait. Changes the whole look of the bike. I could throw the tour pack back on for any trips, but I don't even know if I want to. But that's it. Hit the like and subscribe. The next video is going to be on headlights. Totally changing the whole headlights, the whole look. I have the amber. I don't want to give too much away. I'll show it to you in the next video. Until then, ride safe, hit the like and subscribe. See you on the next one.